I really felt the term when I was hearing it, the Great Resignation, had a real negative connotation to job seekers. And
Yeah.
it almost absolved businesses of the responsibility of understanding that good people weren't leaving good companies.
Yeah.
Like what they were doing was taking stock of what's truly important to them, reflecting on life, especially because of the mortality that became also apparent through the pandemic. And all of a sudden people started going like, hey, you know what? It is just a job. And so why am I staying here if I'm not aligned culturally, from a vision, from a mission perspective? Or like you said, it's another like a really interesting piece that I've dug into in the past, which is many, many years ago, people worked strictly for survival. And it didn't
Right.
matter how bad the company was you worked for and how poorly they treated you. You needed a job, employers knew it, and there was no balance. It was you got paid whatever like the average person's willing to accept, and the company is going to benefit as best they can.
Yeah.
And then that shifted where like survival was taken care of for us by our parents and by, government support systems and all these different things. And then the shift went into that the technology revolution, where it now became the nice house, the nice car, the nice clothes, the vacations, keeping up with the Joneses. And now we're in the social revolution where things have hugely transitioned, where there's so much visibility on what good companies and bad companies are doing, and good decisions and bad decisions, and people are able to share information so much more quickly. And so there is now a greater focus on that like pendulum swinging, or the scales of balance, where companies are doing more and more and more to incentivize or create that value proposition for employees. And so again, going back, I really feel that that great reflection was far more, and I think it was actually a guest, Meg Newhouse, who gave me that or coined that
Oh,
term.
right. Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, I really felt that great resignation was just this like almost negative kind of put on the employees, where they're just making a snap decision and quitting for no reason with no plan. And it's like, no, that's not what's happening. They're taking stock and they're saying like, like this isn't a good fit. It's not good. Mental health is a big thing. I thought it was
Yeah.
really interesting how that all evolved and quite recently.